Hello everybody on YouTube. This is Wilson for Wilson's Gaming. This is week one of having a green cheek conure, and this is the first time getting the bird out of the cage and onto top of its playpen. This is the cage, and it has a playpen on top. So the bird is starting to get used to the cage a little bit more. I had to redo it a little bit to make it a little bit flighting friendly, you know, so they can flap their wings and kind of hop up from branch to branch. And yeah, I've been practicing the step up training with Yoshi, and Yoshi is getting a little bit more comfortable. I'm not going to push it, and she does eat millet from my fingertips, not from my hands just quite yet. She's very afraid of my hands. But I'm going to try some millet. Here you go. Want some millet? Good girl. Good girl, Yoshi. So she likes the millet. And I'm actually going to probably demonstrate the step-up training with the wooden dowel here in a minute. Here you go. There. Your mouth full? I'm sure your mouth is full. There. Dig right into that. Good girl. I'm very proud of you. So let me get my wooden dowel. I hope the bird doesn't fly away when I do this. I hope she knows that she's elevated. Here we go. Step up. Step up. Good girl. So she can do that, and I'll tell her to step down. Good girl, Yoshi. Good girl, Yoshi. Let's give you another piece of millet. Ready? Millet. Millet. Good girl, Yoshi. So, not bad for a week. I probably pushed it a couple of times. I probably shouldn't have, but I'm doing a lot better just by going with the flow with the bird now. So that's week one of having a green cheek conure, and hope you guys are doing good on YouTube. You have a good day.